Good afternoon, one and all. My name is T. Maitra Verma from Bentley team. I am here to discuss about India can be a corruption-free country.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to about the topic that India will be corruption-free country in the future, but I suppose that India will continue to be corrupted in the future, because if you take the example of our Indian politicians, if we want any work to be done by them, they will definitely take money. Why they will take money? Because they are spending more money on their elections for their votes and to win for the election campaign, and they are bribing the voters.
Then why do you want to take money?
Why they are spending? Because everyone is taking. So,
as an individual of India, you want India to develop and prosper. Then why do you take money? Why can't you educate your neighbors?
India means not only you and me. There are many people. Even the poor classes, they all know. Even we are educated, and maybe our families also.
That's not what I am saying is to educate your neighbors.
The poor people who don't know all this, what they think is, we'll take money and we will vote for them. What is wrong in this? But in turn, they are taking more money from everyone. For example, if we take another example, we will take traffic from traffic policemen. The most common problem faced by the youth. They will, if we don't have license or if we go on triple ridings, they will stop us. What they will do? Actually, the procedure is they will take the challan and we have to pay something. The bike will be seized and we will get it from the police station. But what they actually do? They will ask for bribe. Generally, we prefer for bribe, because if we want to pay challan, it is around 500 rupees and the bike will be seized. We have to go to police station and get it back. But if you pay only 100 rupees, we will get our bike back and we can be free.
Why to ride 3 persons on a single bike?
That's not the point here. I say that there is actually loopholes in our constitution actually.
Yes, what you said is right, but change comes from an individual, but not a mob or a group. If you try to change, then the people around you make you as their role model, and they also want to try to change.
Thinking practically, it is not possible.
Why it is not possible? If you are a foreigner,
actually,
then even the last rider also want to take you as a role model, and he also want to beat you in your class. Then why it is not possible in outside?
Actually, it has happened really 60 to 70 years. Why it has not happened? Even politician doesn't want to change, because everyone who want to come into politics, they want to earn money. They don't want to do social work service or nothing.
If you are not moving in the corrupted manner, then everybody will not move in the corrupted manner. You should say that you should not go in the corrupted manner. You should.
Yes, I'm not talking about it.
I'm saying how you can say that opposite thing?
I'm not saying about myself.
You should be not the corrupted. You have to say others.
Yes, I'm not corrupted. I will say others also, but I'm taking
But you are saying that all are corrupted. How can you say that?
I'm not saying all are corrupted. Major section of the society are corrupted. Majorly the politicians. Because they spend what they spend on the elections, they want to get it back. They don't want to do this. They want to do this.
Just they are begging, not giving. They are begging to give the money.
Who are begging? Who are begging to give the money?
The politicians are just giving the money. They won't take the money, but they are just giving. All the
politicians are not taking money. You say politicians are not taking money.
How? Politicians are just they are taking money, but their heads have to be in the corrupted manner now.
I don't understand.
What is the meaning of democracy?
Rules by ourselves.
Ruled by ourselves. We only elect the people.
That's what. Each and every mindset will change. Each and every individual mindset will change.
That's
which
what
is
exactly we are
more
saying.
difficult.
Why?
Naturally, it is difficult.
Why?
Because it is not possible till now.
Change. You must change.
Nearly 63 years are over when we got the independence.
We are not changing, and why we are expecting others to change? First, we must change now.
I'm not saying about you and me. That's what I'm saying.
No.
I'm saying
why we should think that others must change. First, when we doesn't take money, then nearby our houses we'll start educating them. then no one wants to take the money.
Okay, then what about politicians?
Politicians, if he doesn't take money, when we have the right to vote to our wish leaders, then we does not vote to the corrupted leaders.
See,
If we elected a good leader who...
how can you say that he is good leader? After coming into power, he may become bad. How can you judge it?
There is no guarantee.
Our this is ruled by a single party, any party. For example, take BJP. Before it is Congress, most of the people, 90% of the politicians in that party only are corrupted. So they will not impose means that strict laws to reduce corruption. Because most of their party members are only doing corruption.
Once you think, last 10 years Congress had ruled our country.
Yes.
Suddenly they had suffered a big loss. Means our country is changing. They wanted the corrupted to be dead and they wanted the good ones to come. Hence they elected good ones.
Good ones.
That's why in future years our country could be not corrupted.
But how can you say that? Because in BJP also there are corruption. You cannot say in Congress only there are corruption. In BJP everyone is good. Most of them are corrupted in political parties. They don't want to do service. Actually, if they don't want to do service, they can establish any orphanage or anything, social service centers or anything. There is no need to come into politics. But why are they coming to politics? To earn money. Their main motive is to earn money. So they are earning.
If they earn some 100 crores and they spend 50 crores in some years, certainly India will develop.
Our topic is corruption.
Yes.
I'm saying that it will not stop. There are suffering.
If India develops, then corruption can be controlled.
If India develops, corruption will be increased. Money transfer will be more and it is going to the politicians.
You say USA is more developed than India.
Yeah.
But there is why no corruption in USA?
There is more corruption in USA also.
Not more than India.
Because they are following strict rules. But in constitution also, they are not having strict rules.
Here, that's the problem. Here, only we must change. When we try to oppose the others, then we can surely get a corruption-free India.
Not only politics, in all aspects there is corruption. Like
you should support that corruption should be there. వాళ్ళు సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు should not be there అని నువ్వు అవును ఉండాలి అన్ని చోట్ల ఉంది కరప్షన్ చెప్తే
Okay, I'm saying that not even we are saying that the youth are more interested in politics. If they come into politics, they will change. But now major section of the youth only they are corrupted. If you take the example of not taking the names, in our state only there are many competitors who are youth, and other states of Karnataka like Gajandranath, they are not old persons. Everyone.
If you want India corruption free, then why can't you elect? We are therefore you elect you as a leader. So
we will elect them, but there is no guarantee that they will not do corruption.
why can't we?
right, leave.